Hi, welcome back to the Revit crash course for architects. In today's episode, we're entering the world of 3D modeling. In this episode, you'll learn how to add text to designs, preset programming elements, an introduction to modify match type, adjusting dimensions, and looking into type properties through overriding, and editing boundaries. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the power of 3D modeling in Revit. While 2D tools can help you visualize layouts and details, 3D modeling lets you shape the entire form of your design. So this step is especially helpful for conceptual phases where you explore ideas, test proportions, and even perform building analysis. So Revit's massing and side tools are perfect for this stage. They allow you to create basic shapes or masses, which serve as placeholders for your design. These masses can later be turned into actual building elements like walls, floors, or roofs. So let's begin with the Massing and Site tab. Here you'll find tools for creating and managing 3D masses. To get started, select In Place Mass, and Revit will ask you to name your mass. This is useful for keeping your project organized as you add more components later. So a little pro tip is to use clear names like Tower Concept or Atrium Design to make navigation easier in complex projects. And once you're in massing mode, you'll notice three important tabs in the Properties palette. So we have the Properties tab, and this controls the overall behavior of your mass, such as its height or base constraints. Then we have the Dimensions tab, and this allows you to input precise measurements, ensuring accuracy in your designs. And then we have Identity Data tab. This helps you categorize your mass by assigning names, descriptions, or even cost-related data. And these tabs work together to give you complete control over your mass. So for example, you can adjust the height of a tower concept using the Dimensions tab or rename it in the Identity Data tab for better project management. So let's create our first mass. Start by sketching a shape, say a rectangle, on your workspace. Once done, use the Create Form tool to extrude it into a 3D shape. And there you have it. You now have a basic mass. Next, let's experiment by modifying it. Use the Push-Pull tool to adjust the height or add more shapes to explore different design options. And another pro tip, use keyboard shortcuts like Shift-W to navigate the 3D view easily. Now that we have a mass, let's add floors. Floors are essential for defining spaces and calculating areas. Head to the Mass Floors tool in the ribbon and select the levels where you want floors to appear. Revit will automatically generate floor planes for each level. These floors are great for early stage analysis like calculating square footage or evaluating programmatic layouts. You can refine them further as your design develops. Creating masses isn't just about shaping your design. It's about laying the foundation for more detailed work. So from here, you can convert masses into walls, roofs, and other building components, making it easier for transition from concept to construction. And masses allow for early testing, like analyzing daylight airflow or structural feasibility. These insights can save you time and costs down the road. And that's it for episode 3. You've learned how to create and refine 3D masses, as well as how to add functional floors. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into converting these masses into detailed building elements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Until then, bye!
Get in touch with us for all your drafting needs at